Rich Bond, and I'm the grand poobah of the moolah.
Hey y'all, this is Rich Bond, your certified mortgage consultant with Benchmark Mortgage. What I'd like to do right now is I'd like to talk to you about assembling some of the documentation that you're going to need for your loan application. The first thing I'd like to talk to you about, and today, or in this video, we're going to be talking about getting your income documentation together and what we're looking for. Now, if you are a borrower who gets paid by a W-2, you get your paychecks every week, every couple weeks, what we're going to need from you is your last 30 days pay stubs. Now, if you get paid monthly, I'm going to need at least 2 of your pay stubs. And if you're paid bi-weekly, that means, you get a paycheck every other Friday or something like that. I'm going to need to get 3 of your paychecks because about half the months of the year, there's an opportunity for you to get paid 3 times in that month, and I just don't want to have to burden you and ask you for more paperwork later. I'm going to need those. I'm also going to need your last 2 years W-2s, and I'm going to need to get your tax returns. Now, not every lender is going to ask for your tax returns, but the reason that I'm looking for them, the reason I want to see your tax returns, is I'm trying to find any potential issues that may come up. Unreimbursed business expenses are a big thing that we see come up a lot, and it can take somebody from qualifying and getting approved to having wasted money for an appraisal or a down payment. And I just want to ensure that we're getting you the appropriate and the proper approval. Now, when I get these pay stubs, what am I looking for? I'm looking for a couple things. One is I'm looking to see how much money you're making. Number 2, I'm going to look at your pay stubs to see if you get significant overtime or bonus or commissions, things that a lot of people don't think about when I say, well, how much do you make? And I make $15 an hour. Well, that's $15 an hour plus, but you forget to mention that in April you had a $7,000 bonus, and you've been getting that every year. Well, if I don't know this, if you don't tell me this, then my approval is not going to be accurate. So that's why I'm looking for these on the pay stub. The other thing I'm going to look for are loans that do not show up on your credit report. If somebody has a 401k loan, I'm going to find it on the pay stub. This way, your approval is accurate. Now, if you're self-employed or you make a lot of commission or bonus income, I'm still going to need your tax returns. If you get W-2s, that's great. But also, I'd like to get a year-to-date profit and loss, especially for you self-employed folks. I'd like to see what you were doing this year and make sure that your results are consistent from last year. Now, when you bring these to me, either send them electronically, or if you actually bring these physical documents to me on your tax returns, please make certain that they're signed. I'm going to need to get them signed anyway prior to closing. So if you just do it up front, it's going to save us all a little bit of time. Now, if you have any more questions, if you have a scenario that I haven't covered here that is a little bit of a unique scenario, what I'd like you to do is you go ahead and give me a call. My number's coming up in a moment. You can comment below, or go ahead and shoot me an email. My email's coming up too. Also, if you know somebody who's getting ready to buy a home or refinance and they're trying to put their package together before they meet with their lender, go ahead and forward this video out to them. And if they haven't chosen a lender yet, have them give me a call. Once again, this is Rich Bond with Benchmark Mortgage. To your success.